Hello everybody, I hope you spend a good time. Welcome back to my math channel. Today with lesson number 2 in chapter 9. So be ready everyone with your books, pens or pencils, and let's start our lesson. Our lesson today, area of triangles. We will learn how to find the area of a triangle. This is the rule we are going to deal with. A for area equals half BH. B is the base of the triangle. H is the height of the triangle. So if we know the base and we know the height, we just BH means we multiply them and we multiply by half. Or we can say A equals BH over 2. And you know that over 2 means divide by 2. So you multiply the base by the height, then you divide by 2. Why we are saying half or divided by 2? Very easy. Because it's clear that the triangle represents half a parallelogram. And we have studied that area of parallelogram is base times height. The triangle is half the parallelogram, so half times base times height. Example number 1. Find the area of the triangle. Count how many blocks in the base. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count how many blocks for the height. 1, 2, 3, 4. So area equals half base times height, means half times 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Half of 24 is 12. You can also evaluate half 6. Half of 6 is 3. Then multiply the 3 by the 4 also will give you 12. Moving on. Now let's try to solve A and B. Find the area of this triangle. Let's count how many blocks in the base. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many blocks for the height? We have here 1, 2, and 3. So we are going to say area equals half BH, means half multiplied by the base, which is 6, multiplied by the height, which is 3. 6 by 3 is 18, so it's half times 18, so this will be 9. 9 what? 9 units squared. What about this one? So I have here the base is 9 and the height is 7, so the same area equals half BH equals half, the base is 9 multiplied by the height is 7, so this is half. 9 multiplied by 7 will give you 63, and half of 63 will give you 31.5. Of course, the unit here is feet, so we are going to say feet squared. Now moving on. Sometimes we are given the area is ready, and we need you to find the base or to find the height. So I prefer to take these rules, write these rules beside the previous rule. So the previous rule is, how can I find the area? Area equals half BH. Okay, if I want the base equals 2 area, means 2 times area, divide by the height. If you want to find the height, 2 area divided base. So this one, you want to find the area, use this one. If you want to find the base, use this one if you want to find the height. Now let's try to solve problem C. I have here the area is given as 40 and the height is given as 8, and we need to find the base. Very easy. We are going to say base equals 2 times the area, means 2 times 40, then divide by the height, which is 8. So this will be 2 times 40 is 80. 80 divided by 8 simply will give you 10. 10 what? 10 meters as mentioned. Now let's try to solve problem D. I have here the area is given as 72. The base is given as 12, and I need to find the height. So we are going to say height equals 2 times the area, means 2 times 72, divided by the base, which is 12. 2 times 72 is 144. 144 divided by 12, it is 12. 12 what? 12 yards. So I think it's easy for you to use these rules, whether to find the area or to find the base or to find the height. Moving on. Solving the guided practice. Find the area of each triangle. Problem number 1. Let's count how many units are there in the base. Here is 1, 2, 3, and 4. The height 1, 2, 3. So simply apply the rule. Area equals half BH equals half multiplied by the base 4 units multiplied by the height 3 units. You know that 4 by 3 is 12, half of 12 is 6, so 6 units square. Problem number 2, the base is given as 12 and the height is 8, so the rule area equals half BH equals half multiplied by the base is 12 and the height is 8. As I told you before, you can evaluate half the base, half the 12 is 6. You leave the 8 as is. So 6 by 8 is 48 feet squared. You can also multiply the 8 by the 12. 8 by 12 will give you 96. Half of 96 also 48. It's up to you. Now the same will happen here. The area will be half multiplied by the base, which is 15.6, multiplied by the height, which is 11.25. Now you are in grade 6, you can finish this one. So the area will be half multiplied by 15.6 multiplied by 11.25. This will give you 175.5. Now you multiply it by half, or you divide it by 2, the same. It will give you 87.75. Of course, meter squared. Now, for this problem, Taishan designs uniquely shaped ceramic floor tiles. What is the base? We need to find the base of the tile shown. We have here the area, and I need the base. So the rule says base equals 2 area divided height. So 2 times area is 21 divided height, which is 6. 2 times 21 is 42, and 42 divided by 6 will give you 7. 7 what? Yes, just inch, because this is a length. Now problem number 5. Consuela made a triangular bar box as shown. What is the area of the top of the box? Area of the top of the box. Of course, the top of the box shaped like what? Yes, shaped like a triangle. Now, what is the base of this triangle? The base of this triangle, very clear. It's exactly as 10 centimeters. So this is 10 centimeters now. Okay, it's easy to find this surface now, which is the top of the box. So area equals half BH equals half multiplied by the base of the triangle, which is 10, the height of the triangle, which is 9. So it's like 10 by 9, 90, half of it is 45. 45 centimeters squared. Or you can say half of 10 is 5, 5 by 9 also 45. By this, my dear students, we come to the end of our lesson for today. Don't forget to solve some problems to practice this lesson, to be sure you understand the lesson very well. Don't forget the rules of the lesson, because they will help you to solve it very well. And till we meet again, goodbye.